Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most popular and lucrative ways to earn passive income online, the Amazon Affiliate Program. If you've ever wondered how to make $10,000 a month through affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Understanding the Amazon Affiliate Program. Before we jump into the strategies, let's briefly explain what the Amazon Affiliate Program is. It's an affiliate marketing program that allows you to earn a commission by promoting Amazon products on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Segment 2, Niche Selection and Market Research. The first step to success is selecting a profitable niche. Look for a niche that aligns with your interests and has a high demand for products on Amazon. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential niches with high product sales and low competition. Building a website or blog to effectively promote Amazon products, you'll need a platform to engage your audience. Building a website or blog is a great way to establish your online presence. Choose a user-friendly platform like WordPress, create compelling content, and optimize it for search engines. Segment 4, Choosing the right products. Once your website or blog is up and running, it's time to choose the right products to promote. Focus on products that are relevant to your niche, have good customer reviews, and offer attractive commissions. Look for products with a high average order value to maximize your earnings. Segment 5, Creating engaging content. Engaging content is key to driving traffic to your affiliate links. Consider creating product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, or best of lists to provide value to your audience. Make sure your content is informative, persuasive, and includes your affiliate links strategically. Segment 6, Driving targeted traffic. Now that you have engaging content, you need to drive targeted traffic to your website. Utilize various strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and collaborating with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Segment 7, Optimizing conversion rates. It's not just about driving traffic. You also want to convert visitors into buyers. Optimize your website's design, layout, and navigation to enhance the user experience. Use call-to-action buttons, product showcases, and customer testimonials to increase conversion rates. Segment 8, Tracking and Analyzing Performance. To make $10,000 a month, it's crucial to track and analyze your performance. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and Amazon Affiliate Reports to monitor your traffic, conversion rates, and earnings. Identify what's working and what isn't, and make adjustments accordingly. Segment 9, Scaling up your business. Once you start making consistent earnings, it's time to scale up your business. Explore additional monetization strategies, such as creating digital products or partnering with other affiliate programs. Consider outsourcing certain tasks to free up your time and focus on growth. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make $10,000 a month with the Amazon Affiliate Program. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and persistence. Keep creating valuable content, building your audience, and refining your strategies. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.